Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly see what's going on with the CROCOIN because everything is pumping lately, and let's analyze CROCOIN really quickly, okay? Now we can see CROCOIN is up 7%, about 8%, and we know that CROCOIN was in this pattern, okay? This little pattern where it had this major resistance line, okay? So we drew this, we drew the support for CROCOIN right over here, and then we were expecting something, maybe if Bitcoin dumped, to come over here, but looks like it has broken and came out of this resistance line. Okay, so that's a really bullish sign. Now, if you look at CROCOIN in a bigger time frame, you can see CROCOIN was in this pattern. Okay, and I've been explaining you about this pattern, got out, came back in. Now it is testing this resistance line. Okay, now if you look at CROCOIN a little bit, zoom in, it's trying to get out of it again. Okay, so this is really good. If it can do that and maybe close a daily candle above this area, then it has just made this into support, this huge resistance line. Okay, look at this. This resistance line, it can make that into support. Now, if you just look at it a little bit deeper, you can also see when we had this dump, the price came up. I can just draw it for you so it's better to understand. When we came here, hit this resistance, we came down all the way. So you know how important this resistance was. Came up, made a W bottom. Look at this beautiful W bottom it made. Came and broke this resistance, came back, retested this support, resistance as support, and then hit the resistance again, came down, fell back. Now we are breaking it. Okay. So you can see how powerful CROCOIN is looking at the moment. Now, if you just look at the volume, you look at this volume, it came right after it broke it. A lot of people gained confidence back and jumped into Crow. So it was this candle right over here that gave the confirmation. So now it's trying to move towards the upside. Now we see all the moving averages are below the price action. So that's also a very bullish sign because you can see from right over here, when it came below, the price was below all the moving averages. Okay, it was fighting to get outside. Finally, it broke towards the upside. And if you look at the daily time frame, uh, okay, it's below, the price is above the 20 moving average, and the 100 moving average is trying to get above it too. And look at where the 55 is. So once we get over all these three moving averages, you're looking towards to go to the upside, because last time when it happened was right over here. Okay, everything was above the moving averages where it had this little cross, and then look, support, and then move towards the upside right over here, support, support, and finally came down. So you got right over here as well, up. So this is going to be a very bullish sign for CROCOIN. And that tells us Bitcoin is going to start moving towards the upside, because a lot of coins are pumping at the moment and confidence has come back in the market a little bit at least. And if you look at this pattern as well, let me show you. Okay, because yeah, right over here, we had this major resistance. You see? Let me take the moving averages off so it's clear. Yeah, look at this. Okay, so as soon as we broke this neckline, I would say, and this is uh, somewhat of a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see where we had this support. This was the neckline, jumped off here. Yeah, this is the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So if we just judge this move, and if this is the breakout point, we should get towards the 59.60 level, because you can clearly see it. This is the neckline, this is the support, this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and this is your head. So we should try to get to these levels, but again, we do have major resistance. Let me show you where. If we just take this, let's just this move right over here. Okay, where is the resistance? Okay, so we have major resistance at 0.618. Okay, the reason I say that, look at this area. Because as soon as we broke this, the price went down, okay? And it does make perfect sense. Let me take this drawings off so you can see it better actually. Take this off, take this off, and take this off. Go in the daily time frame, and now you will be able to see it a little bit better. Why? Measure it again. Okay, you can see as soon as we broke where was it? Yeah, this area, because it was doing something like this. Okay, and we broke this area, the price retest, and then came all the way down. So this is going to be one of the main areas, the 0.618, the golden pocket. So if we break this level, which there is a price target towards the upside for the inverse head and shoulders, then things can look extremely bullish for CROCOIN. And let's see now. So this is the major area right over here, okay? What we need to break actually. And it makes sense because we have this neckline, because as soon as we broke it, we came retest, came down, made this head formation, went up, got rejected from this major resistance line, came down, went up, came down, and then finally broke out. Okay, as soon as we broke this neckline, that was the confirmation. So you could see CROCOIN go up all the way to 49 cents because it will try to do that because it has this is the major resistance. Now the price target for this pattern is actually right over here, okay, at 59 cents, a little bit above the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So if we can get here, there is no, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of price accumulation and selling when what happened here, okay? We can, maybe try to get here 64. But yeah, guys, this is it for CROCOIN. It's looking pretty decent to me at the moment. And let's take a look at the RSI really quick. And the daily actually. Yeah, see, you can see the RSI was bottomed out, so it's trying to pick up now because you can see how the RSI movement is down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it will probably go up now, okay? So look out for this, and everything is looking beautiful for CROCOIN at the moment, and it is above this major resistance line, so that's a pretty good sign. And hopefully let's see what happens, okay? But if you like these kind of videos, kindly give me a like so I know you want me to keep making CROCOIN videos, okay? Just hit the like, that's my confirmation. Okay, yeah, I need to make a CROCOIN video, okay? And subscribe to my channel, guys, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day and take care. Bye bye.